Hello and welcome back to Terraria 1.3 hard mode. It's raining slimes. I was not planning to record, but this is a special event. It's raining slime. Look, it's just slime are falling from the sky. Apparently, I have to kill a lot of these slimes, and maybe the slime king slime, whatever, will appear. That would be awesome. We haven't defeated him. We want to defeat the slime buff king something. All I have to do is kill 150 of these. How hard can that be? I got my trusty banana here, and nothing can stand in my way. Oh, I've defeated 50 already. Come on here. We're gonna get a lot of slime gel. Yeah, okay. It's calculating how many I've killed in my game time since it started calculating, so we don't actually know how many I've killed during this event. But let's just keep on smacking those slimes. Yeah. It's not like they're super tough or anything compared to other hard. Yeah, they're not even hard mode creatures. I don't know if this is a hard mode event. I've never seen it before. Maybe it's something that was put in the update. I don't know. But if we get the king slime, then it'll be super duper. I've been out mining a little, but I haven't gotten a lot of ores yet. But I did make my molten pickaxe so that I could get some of the new ores, and I found a little... was it cobalt? I'll show you later. When we're not busy fighting slimes. Just thought I would let you know. Things are progressing. Come on, slimes. Can we get like even more slimes? Because I think I can kill them faster than this. If they just rain down faster. Maybe if we move around a little we can find more. Bunch together or something. Don't know. Otherwise I'll just edit this to make it seem much faster. Much. Slime smacking 101. Come on. Well, that was number 50 green slime. I'm guessing I killed a lot of slimes during the game. And I have no knowledge of when exactly it started. What's with my voice? When it started to calculate the slime killing. It has not always been there, that's for sure. So maybe it's just since the update. 1.3 update. Oh, what did I get there? Oh, some kind of potion. I'm carrying too much crap. What can I dump that I don't need? There's some mud blocks here. Don't hit me, slimes. Don't hit me. I'm not sure fighting the king slime on this arena is the best way to go. Anyway. Let's go over here. Up. Give me more slimes. You could throw 50 at me at once, I think. That would be nice. 100 now, so at least now we've killed at least 50 of those during the this event. So I think we're just gonna stay over here where it's easy to see what's going on. It would be nice if it would happen before night time. started, a message appeared on screen that said, oh, here we go. King Slime. Okay. Oh, he's wearing a crown. Oh, look at him. He's awesome. Oh, don't kill me. Ah, he's dying already. Come on, come on, come on. He's no match for my banana, and now he's stuck in that whole thing. Oh, no, he's not stuck. But we got him. Sticky situation, achievement unlock, and a lot of extra slime, yeah. Slime has stopped falling from the sky. Oh, thank you. And what did we get out of that? That's there gotta be something more than we can dump from this. We got a slime gun. And now somebody's gonna hit me. Don't do that. Oh, he left. Dum. What else can we dump? We can just dump something temporarily. Got some healing potion. Let's just throw those. And that one. We got a solidifier, which can be used to craft items. It seems like there's a helmet here as well. Ninja hood. Oh, well, that ought to be something for a SneakyNinjaDog. But it didn't seem like it gave too much defense. Let's put some of all this stuff away because I'm carrying way too much grips. Quick stack. I'll get rid of some of the stuff. Let's pick this out of the trash bin. Let's go over here. Stack some stuff down there. Yes, I could. I'll go back and pick up. We can try on the ninja hood, I guess, and see how that looks. We want to look like a ninja. Talk like a ninja. Walk like a ninja. There it was. We can put it in the vanity slot. Oh, that looks pretty cool. You know what? I think we're sticking with that for now. Oh, did my cobalt armor just stop being did I call it cobalt armor? Molten armor. It stopped doing the burning thing. I don't know. Do we prefer the molten effect or this cool looking ninja hat? I don't know. Well, that was the King Slime for you. Time to get on with the adventure and stuff. Here we are again, looking like a ninja. I hope my sound is okay. My headset broke on me, and I've already ordered another headset, but it's gonna take a few days before it gets here. So I ordered the same headset that I already have. It's a Turtle Beach X12, and no, I'm not getting paid to say that or anything. I've just been very happy with my Turtle Beach, and it's broke now, but I've had it for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 years or something, so I guess you can't expect it to last forever. But it's I'm holding it together with some tape and stuff, so hopefully it'll be just fine. Anyway, where were we? Oh yes, I have crafted the molten pickaxe. It's not a pickaxe. And I got a legendary molten pickaxe, which is super cool. It has a extra size, extra critical, extra speed, extra damage. Not that we're gonna be attacking with it. Which means that I could mine some of the new ore, and I have. Which means that we can make an even better thing. Yeah, I got this cobalt stuff. Is the first stuff that I mined, and we got enough to make some. Yeah, I don't think we have enough to make more than one thing, I'm guessing. Let's see if we choose this thing. The cobalt pickaxe, it'll take 15 bars, and we have 24, so So we'll just be making one thing and one thing only at the moment. We could upgrade, or I don't know if it's an upgrade, but we could change into cobalt armor eventually. It's not a lot better than the molten thing. It's got actually the legs give 7, the molten gives 8, the chest plate gives 8, but the molten gives 9. But the hat, the helmet, all the hard mode armors have 3 different helmets, so you can pick which one you want. One of them, this one only does gives 4 defense, but it gives extra range. And the hat only gives 2 defense, but it gives a lot of extra mana, so if that's your thing. But the sort of the fighter's helmet actually gives 11 defense, which is 3 more than this. So in the end we might end up with an armor that's just 1 level higher than the one we got. And it does increase combat speed and such. And actually each piece of the cobalt armor increases something. But for now we're gonna stick with making a... we can also make a cobalt sword. That looks pretty heavy. No, we're gonna make the cobalt pickaxe because that will allow us to mine some of the other hard mode ores. So there we go. Wow. It can mine mithril and orichalcum. I can't pronounce it. Ori. We'll just call it Ori. Doesn't do very much melee damage. It's seems well, it doesn't have any prefix, so I guess it could have been tougher. Ah, my throat. There we go. So next up, I've gathered all my, not all my, but my 4 swords. The Unpleasant Fury Greatsword, which I just made, actually. It's a pretty good sword, does 45 melee damage. That's actually about the best thing I ever had. Except for the banana ring, of course. The Deadly Blade of Grass, the Blood Butcher, and the Mursame. And we're gonna go and we're gonna craft those into the Knight's Edge. Yeah. To do that we need to go to a demon altar of some kind. Let's see, where is the closest one? I think the closest one is over by the... yeah, I don't know if that's the closest one, but there's one over by the that crimson thing. The question is whether or not we're gonna get killed going over there. You know what, I think we're gonna take the underground route. Let's open up the old hatch here. And oops. And is this the right way? I don't know. But we're gonna check it out. I think this is the right way. Maybe we'll stumble on an altar as we go along here. Uh-oh. Go away. Something is tracking me. There we go. This banana is awesome. Let's go. Whoops. We're getting close to the crimson stuff. What? He dropped some kind of weird, what did it say? Hard trifold map? What does that do? Oh, it makes me immune to confusion. I don't know if that's a thing right now, so we're just gonna leave it there. Whoa, what's that guy? He looks like a wizard. Hello, Mr. Wizard. Bound wizard. Thanks for saving me, friend. This bondage was starting to chafe. Uh-oh. And we can buy stuff, but let's kill this guy first. Oops. Oh man, I was not paying attention there, and he nearly killed the shopkeeper. We can get a crystal ball if we had 10 gold. We do not. Ice rod, music box. Can we? Did I just... Oh, we're getting killed. Oh, I'm not paying attention. Heal. Okay, now we can't buy anything. I was about to bring out my floating piggy bank. I was shopping, guys, and you just attacked me. What's that all about? Wow. It's like no respect for the shopping experience. Okay. Well, we're inside this thing, and I think there are, and whoa, a number of. Okay, now I can't jump. There we go. Yeah, a number of altars up here, I think. Oh yes. Then let's quickly craft this thing before something else kills me. Let's see. There it is, the Knight's Edge. It takes all 4 swords to make it. Here we go. Oh, I got a weak Knight's Edge. Wow. Really? Well, we'll have to see about that. What happened? I wanted to shop with the wizard guy. Does he turn up in my house then? He got killed, but maybe he'll come back and settle in my house. I don't know. Let's go back home and have a look at this this here weak Knight's Edge. Let's just do we have anything we can sell? Wow, this is pretty expensive. Oh, not a lot of stuff we can sell. But you know what, we got loads of money in the old piggy bank. Let's just get some of that. Let's take 10 gold out. And let's go talk to the... is that this guy up here? Mobart. Yeah, I want to reforge my Knight's Edge. Because I do not want a weak Knight's Edge. It takes 1 gold and some silver and copper. Reforge. Now I got a shameful Knight's Edge. I do not want that either. Come on, reforge. Murderous Knight's Edge. That's a bit better. It does extra damage, extra speed. Well, I think we're gonna stick with that for now. 54 damage. That's pretty good. Let's have a look at how it looks. Ooh, cool. And that's gonna be the end of this episode. I hope that you enjoyed it. We killed some slime and we crafted some stuff. As always, you're welcome to leave comments and also to press the like or the subscribe button, as that helps me out. I hope to see you in the next episode of Terraria. Bye!